So, guys, I'm at the place where the construction of the Abia State International Airport is going on in Mbawsi, Isiala Ngwa Nsulu. Okay, so I'm going to be taking you guys on a tour to see how far work has come. So this is Umaala Nsulu. Okay, the airport is located at Umaala Nsulu. So that's the entrance from this other side. So I'm going to be showing you guys what is going on here. Guys, as you can see, this place is very, very, very big, and serious work is going here. Like serious, this project is massive. One good thing about this project is that at least finally we are going to have an airport. Now, people from Abia State will no longer need to go to Akwa Ibom or Owerri to catch a flight, maybe going to Abuja, going to Lagos for business, Now we can be able to fly from our state. And where the airport is located in, even people living in Umuahia is very close for them. People living in Aba, the commercial hub of Abia State, is very easy for them. Businessmen now from operating in Aba, you don't have to come and start stressing yourself going to a far distance Owerri, Akwa Ibom. No, you name a business again now. You see Aba now catch your flight again. You wear jeba. So this is the one. In fact, the Abia State government has really done great for the people of Abia because of this airport that they are constructing here. God bless Abia State. Abia State is going to be great again. In fact, Abia State is I don't even know. I'm so happy because I myself, when I do travel, I have to start going to But now, waiting at the see for here now, bro. Congratulations to Abia. Okay, so guys, this is truly happening in Abia State. The construction of the international airport by the Abia State government is ongoing. It's a massive project, and the joy in the face of the people of Abia because of this project, is me personally, I'm so happy about this project. I must say thank you to the Abia State government for embarking on this project for the people of Abia, for the benefit of all Abians and Nigerians at large. We really appreciate the good work of the government. Just imagine the massive land and what is happening here in Ngwa Nsulu. We can't wait to see this completed. We can't wait to see this completed. We really appreciate the government for what is happening here in Abia State.